we're going to have a balance of surgical cases, series, along with a balance of new things, right? In new trials, new results. One thing we do want to avoid this is a rehash of a 96-week result with a rehash of a 156-week result or 124-week result, right? I think those papers are the ones that our members have specifically, and we do surveys, right? There's really no need to do a survey if we're not going to take those results and take it to heart. And our members have clearly stated to us that they're interested in new things, new trials, new drugs, and they're really interested in a physician's, I would say, their results in an IST with the drug rather than a rehash of a subgroup analysis of a rehash. That's 24 weeks later. So the value for me personally, and I'm speaking for me personally, is very little from that presentation, right? It's I would much rather believe, boy, I tried this drug on 64 patients of mine who had this or whatever it was, and this is what I found, right? Not what a statistician found. I think that, remember, Phil Rosenfeld put a drug in 3 patients' eyes, and that changed fundamentally our field. So I think it has to be a seismic and fundamental shift, I believe, in what we do and how we get data. So it's not to say that none of these things are important, but our members have said we want new things, new medical devices, new therapies, and what do they do? So maybe I hope that answers kind of your question.